Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So first I want to just start out by saying you will have to excuse my voice. I've been sick for a couple of days and I started not to do the video, but I really need to get some done. I am feeling better, although I don't sound a whole lot better. I am feeling better. So this is actually my design team project for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures, and this is her 2023 Calendar Ruffles and Roses kit. So I'm just going to start out by showing you what I had already done, and all we're going to be doing today is just placing some lace. So that is what's going to be going on today. So I'm going to go ahead and set this aside right here and show you where I started. So this right here is just a vintage, I believe it's like 1997, so it's in the mid 90s, and this was of course a photo album. I got it because I really like the cover, although we're going to end up pretty much covering the cover up. And I had some lace in my stash, so I just put some here. I had some lace here also in my stash, so I had put it across there. And then this is one page of her beautiful Ruffles and Roses calendar kit, so I put it here to identify this as the 2023 calendar Ruffles and Roses. And then this right here is just the calendar of 2024 with all 12 months, which is going to be on the back cover. So in these guys was actually these sheets here, and this little line here, if you can see it across the top and the bottom, is where the glue is, and of course, or was, and it has, you know, long since pretty much gone away. And then it had the clear plastic stuff over the top to slide your photo in. So I just took those off, and it was really easy to do, like I said, because the glue had already lost all of its tacky and sticky. So I took those. So that's where I started. And what I did was actually printed out the pages. So we actually have January all the way through December. So anyway, yeah, so I printed those out and I just wrapped it around the page and then punched the holes and put hole reinforcers in there. And yeah, I just used one of these and wrapped the page around it. So then we go and put these into our book. Easier said than done, I guess. Okay, there we go. And then this is what we have, just a little calendar. So we have our front page here that has our calendar, and you can write some stuff here under reminders if you would like. And also you turn it over. I'm going to leave this side pretty neutral, and you have a place for notes. So this is a gorgeous kit. So this is every month of 2023, and they're all different. They are all just gorgeous digitals, as always. Absolutely love her digitals. So yeah, so we have all of those. And then for December, I'll show you what I've already done, plus something else that I did. So I went ahead and took just two plain of her background pages, and I have, nope, there's the other one. I was going to say I've misplaced the other one. And you can actually do one of these for each month if you wanted to, and then you have all of this space on the front and the back that you can actually take notes on. So I may end up doing that by the time we get to the beginning and I do the show and tell, which will be the next video. But yeah, so I thought I would just place for now one at the back and then one between June and July as about our 6-month mark. But like I said, it will hold it. You can put one after every month. And what I like about this being a 2-ring is you can actually take it out and write on it if you need to, and then just pop it back in there. So what we're going to do, and on this one I did put some lace down through there. I hadn't did it on the other one yet. But this is December, and I've already pre-cut some, not a rubber band, sorry, pre-cut some lace here and have it ready, and we're just going to go down the edges of a couple of these and put some lace on the corner, because I did want some stuff on there, but not, you know, so much stuff that it's not actually usable, because I'm actually thinking about maybe taking this to work, or I may just use it in here in my craft room as a way to, you know, put the extra page in there and use this extra page just to keep up with, you know, stuff as far as what's coming up with YouTube, you know, what projects I'm working on and things of that nature. So that's what we are going to do. So we're just going to do a couple of these in this video, and then I will finish the cover front and back, and I'm sure it will be heavily embellished with lace and bling, and then I will come back and we will do a flip through, if you will. Just nothing coming out of there, to show you guys the actual finished product. Can't wait to see how it's going to come out. Alright, so let's see if we can get some glue to come out. There we go. So we're just going to get some glue down through there, and I just put down this piece of paper just to try to protect my mat there a little bit. So we're just going to put that down through there and try to get it kind of even from the top to the bottom. And there we go. We have that one done. And then when it dries, I'll go back and trim this up at the top and the bottom. But yeah, absolutely love this kit. She also put out a new calendar one, which is her with her ballerina kit that she just released. So that kit is just amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. But I will make sure to link all of Doreen's information in the description box below. Okay, so there's another one. So this is going relatively fast, so let's just go ahead and grab some more. Hope you are all doing well today. Like I said, I'm feeling pretty good. I just still sound pretty bad. So yeah, he did actually put me out of work for a couple of days, but I only took one off because we are still a bit short-handed. But yeah, took Tuesday off and worked yesterday, which was Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and I was off today, so I knew I would be able to rest. It is about 1:30 now, almost, and that's pretty much all I've done all day is rested. Didn't sleep great last night. I was up at 1 a.m., laid back down around 4, and got up at about 6:45. And then I went and laid back down for like another hour, so I am resting, but I wanted to play, guys. I also did a little bit of organizing. You guys who watch me know that talking about doing that slowly but surely. And I actually have the, I don't know what they are, but it's like, okay, I'm not going to do that one, that's the blank one. How many tiers are they? Let me check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 drawers that pulled out. It's like the metal stand thing that you can get at Michael's with wheels on it, and it's just got the little plastic bins in them that slide in and out. Well, I have 3 of those in here, and I had my dyed papers like tea dyed, avocado dyed, rit dyed, every dye you can probably think of in there. And as I was making things and pulling out papers, you know, I would just shove them back in there anywhere. And I got all of those cleaned out and organized this morning, guys. It was a hot mess partway through, but I got it all done and I feel so good about it. This is going to be so pretty when it's done. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay. We only have a few more. And this part will be done. Yeah, that's good. Is pretty chilly here today. Wind's blowing, so it is making it feel, you know, much colder than it is. But I'm not going out there. So, yeah. I do apologize again for my voice, guys. I just wanted to work on this so bad and wanted to bring you guys along with me. Alright, just get this one down. So excited, guys. I'm gonna put a different lace on this one, so I'm gonna wait on that one. Alright. And this glue is just the Aleene's Tacky glue that I'm using here. So I think we have this done. March, April, May, June, and July. cute. Look at that. How cute is that? Oh, I just love it. Alright guys, so that is going to be our video for today. And again, this is my design team project for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. And this is her 2023 Calendar Ruffles and Roses kit. Oh, I love how it's turning out. I'm thinking about maybe putting some bling down through there now that I think about it. Because if you wanted to write on any of these, you could just simply take them out. Oh, wow. I'll get the other lace for that one. September, October, November, and December. And then our little extra page. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Oh, that's going to look so good once we get the cover done. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys when it's complete. Alright guys, thank you all so much. Y'all have a fabulous day. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.